pleased to do it.
Yes. I would like
How did you feel about the Canadian College of Shiatsu Therapy? Example, our curriculum and school clinic and field work as well.
As I said, I think one of the reasons I chose this college was because of the broad range of subjects covered in the curriculum. It is a very comprehensive curriculum, and it is very intense. I mean, there is a lot of study, there are a lot of subjects. You know, it's very medical academic, and that there is a lot to learn, especially if you have none of that background. But what I liked about the course, and what I think is very good, is there's not only the shiatsu and the techniques and obviously the anatomy and physiology and pathology and kinesiology that you need to be able to diagnose your patients and to treat your patients, but there's the complementary subjects as well. It's really good to have things like the psychology and the nutrition and even the traditional Chinese medicine, because all those things give you a good knowledge to help your patients and to help to diagnose them and understand their lifestyle, understand what they're going through when they're coming to you for treatment. And I think you can really give them a good service because, as I say, those subjects are really very complementary. And the other really good thing is the business studies that's there, you know, to really help you once you've become a shiatsu practitioner. If you're going to set up your own business, it gives you the basics to be able to do that as well. So it's a really broad program, which is good. As I say, it is intense. There is a lot to do. I did the course part-time, so I perhaps had more time than some people that do it full-time. If you're doing it full-time, there's a lot of study. You have to remember it's not just the time you're in college. There is a lot of assignments to do at home, a lot of homework and a lot of study to do at home in preparation for your classes. So it is very intense. There is a lot of work to do, but it's very enjoyable. All the lecturers that you have here do their best to really make the subjects as enjoyable as possible, and they really do their best to make it applicable to your shiatsu as well. And so, yeah, I think from that point of view, the curriculum was really good. On the practicum side of things, again, I think this is one of the really good things about the program at this college, is that the practicum is a large part of the course. You have to treat 300 patients, and there is field work to do as well. And it sounds a lot. And when you first start with your 300, it seems like, oh my goodness, I have 300 patients to treat, it's going to take me forever. But it is so worthwhile. You get to really practice before you graduate. Having treated those 300 patients gives you so much experience. You learn from each patient that you treat. Each patient is unique and individual. And you learn from each experience, and at the end of your 300 patients, you realise how much you've learned. And as you go along, you improve. Every patient you treat, you improve and you improve. Not just your technique, but it also helps you, once you graduate in your shiatsu practice, in knowing how to handle your clients, not just treating them. Knowing how to have good customer relations with your clients. So you come out as a graduate, not just with theoretical ability, but you have hands-on practical experience, and that makes all the difference in the world. It gives you the confidence that you need to be able to go out there and treat your patients, because you've already treated 300 patients. In fact, more than that, because you have done your field work as well. So the practicum is a really, really good part of the program.
Thank you.
Tell us your shiatsu future plan.
Okay, now that I've graduated, my plans are, I think I would like to go and work for a clinic or a spa for a year or so, so that I can again get experience of treating patients and learning how to set up the business and that kind of thing. And then after that time, I think I will set up my own business. One of the reasons that I chose this course was because I wanted to change my career, and I was looking for a career that gave me flexibility and I was able to adapt. Again, I'm a mother, so I want to work hours that my children are at school, and a Shiatsu career gives me that flexibility and adaptability.
Yeah.
So I think I will be able to do that. So I said I will spend a year working for somebody, and then I will set up my own business.
That'd be great.
And I chose Shiatsu because I have a passion for Shiatsu and a real belief, and also the experience of the benefits of Shiatsu. I have seen immediate benefits to patients when they've had a treatment. And it's unbelievable to see people walking away pain-free. It's such an incredibly powerful healing therapy that it's wonderful. It's not just a flexible career, it's a very satisfying career, because every day you're helping people. And to be able to help people in that way is just such a great thing, I say. So satisfying. So I think a Shiatsu career is really good if that's what you're looking for.
Thank you. Do you have any comment to the Canadian College of Shiatsu Therapy student or future student?
If you have chosen a Shiatsu career, then it's a good choice. As I say, helping people is so rewarding, and the course is very intense, but is also very good. You get a great background, not just in the core subjects, but in the complementary subjects. There's a lot of hard work involved, but it's really worth it at the end of the day. And when you see your patients walking out of your treatment room with a big smile on their face, then everything is worth it.
Thank you very much, Sharon.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.